Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to UNO application using your mobile device. If you want to sign in or log into your UNO game so that you can save the progress within the game, then first, open your UNO application on your device. Once you are in this main home page, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom left hand corner. In the settings menu, tap on Account Center at the bottom right. Now, you'll be able to see this pop up. Go ahead and select one of the login methods you'd like to get started with. You can sign into your UNO account with your Apple ID, with your Facebook account, with your Game Center, Mattel163 account, or Snapchat. If you don't want to sign in yet with any of these accounts, then you have an option to play as a guest. Simply pick the Play as a Guest button to play the game as a guest without signing in. To sign in to your account, select one of the options. In my case, I'm going to choose the Sign in with Game Center option and it'll log you in to your game right away. That is how you can easily sign in to UNO using mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.